Hello everyone. I know that we're just going into the first weekend of our course, and I want to make sure that you understand what you should be doing at this point. Now, in your learning modules, at this point you should have gone into and read the academic integrity policy and answered the one question. You should have also gone into module 1, read through the what's due when, and gone through all of the assignments in this week's worth of activities. Now, at this point, I've graded everything that's been entered in up to this point, which is Friday afternoon at 1 o'clock. If you submit anything after this, I will not be grading it until after the due date. Okay, so to be able to see what you've submitted so far, you go into My Grades in the course menu. And at this point, across from Academic Integrity, you should see a green check mark to let you know you finished it. The Student Identification Verification assignment should have a grade. The Computer Backup Plan, the Plagiarism should be at 100% if you watched all the videos. The Plagiarism Quiz, that should have been completed at 100%. The quiz on the course information should have hopefully 100%, and then your introduce yourself module discussion should have a grade. Now, in the Grade Center, if you see anything that has a thought box in front of it, if you click on that, it will show you the feedback that I've entered in for that assignment. Okay, as you can see, there's several of them in this particular one. Another thing that you want to watch out for is, for an example, in this the discussions, you'll have a rubric that I will be using for grading. Now, when you bring up the rubric will actually show gray boxes where you've achieved the points. And let's say, for an example, on this one might be gray, and then this one might be gray. So I'm looking at it, I can see I did a few spelling or grammatical errors, and then another one. And then at the bottom of this rubric, there should be an option that tells you how many points you've actually achieved for this particular assignment. So that will be down in the bottom left-hand corner. Okay, so that grade should match what's in here. All right, so those are the grades that you should have at the end of week 1. Now remember, because this being a long weekend, I've got stuff going on, I wanted to try and get as much stuff graded before the weekend. Anything else that's submitted Friday afternoon through the weekend will probably not be graded until Monday or Tuesday of next week. Thank you. Have a good weekend.